And lynlee's not gonna be in this video. Like, she's never in them anymore. She will be in them sometimes. Yes, I'm going to bell show, but anyways. I'm going to suck the helium out of a balloon. She was gonna be in it, but it's like sports balloons. I'm just gonna use a golf ball because I don't like a golf ball. But she used all of them, but she got 2 more and they were her favorites, so she don't want to suck them. She's gonna keep them. If you can hear her in the background, that's her. She's not gonna be in this video. She's just gonna be behind me. So I'm just gonna do the helium. I'm just gonna say some random things. Comment down below if it was funny or anything. So you can hear the music. Can I do that red football one? No. This one? No. That one? Nope. What? Neither of them. I don't really like baseball anyway. Hey, she's gonna be in it! Whoa! Can she sing right now? Because that's like fun for now. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Comment down below if you love golf. Because if you love golf, I'm ruining your game. Golf. It's not my favorite sport. I hate golf. She's saying, but she can't say it great. Lily. Oh my gosh, I hear somebody out there. I can see something. Why am I still talking like this? Oh my god! I'm an alien. I'm a gummy bear. Oh my gummy tummy, look at gummy bear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, you're so crazy. I'm not saying the song again. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a yummy, tummy looking gummy bear. Please stop. I don't like that song. I do. Just stop. Stop it. Happy Father's Day. Today's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Tap your daddy. Happy Father's Day. What are you looking at? Whoa, this is like so awesome, huh? You know how like I love doing this stuff. It's like so funny. And I cannot believe this. It's like so awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't feel like I'm so lightheaded. Oh my gosh. After this one, I'm going to sleep over my sister's room tonight. This is my sister's room, so I'm in here, like so happy. Like awesome. Nothing to be happy about. It's just the room. Okay, I'm out of helium, everyone. I'm out of helium. No, I'm not. And then when I'm done, I eat chicken strips. Ooh, chicken strips. Ooh, chicken strips. Mommy and Daddy. Yeah, mine don't work anymore. I'm not perfectly. Silly, my voice is like so stupid and silly. Like, I'm so crazy right now. Ah! I didn't like do it one time. Subscribe down below. Subscribe down below. This one might not work, but it did!